everyone, welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. This is Saili, your yoga expert. Have you recovered from the COVID infection successfully? If yes, this video will help you to maintain your good health and also it will recover you from all the damage that the infection have given. So watch the full video for the benefit. As the topic for today is yoga for post-COVID patients. So today we are going to see many asanas that will help you to recover from the COVID infection. As you have done it successfully, I know that, but also quarantine medicines have helped you for the most. But doing yoga will help you much more because all the muscles, internal organs have affected by the infection. So we need to recover from all that and make our body healthy, and it will not affect again. We have to take care about it. So let's see the asana. So our first asana is stretching. A little warm up you need to do in the whole yoga session. So I am going to explain the whole session. In that, in between you can do Surya Namaskar and at the end you can do pranayama. So special separate videos are there for Surya Namaskar and breathing. For that the link is in the description box. So the first asana is Talasana. In this asana we will learn to balance our body on our toes, and also we will extend our hands up, which will open our chest wide, and we will inhale and exhale very comfortably. So let's see the asana. Stand straight, you will take 1 feet distance. This is called 1 feet distance. 1 feet distance like this. You will take your both the hands on each other like this, overlap it. Inhale, and inhaling you will lift your both the hands up. Your back is straight. Inhale and lift up. And on your toes. You will lift your toes and balance yourself. You will keep normal breathing over here. When you will come down, exhale and your both the hands will come like this down. So in this situation our chest get open wide and we get space to inhale the oxygen in more quantity. This asana helps you to improve your lung capacity, also stretches your spine and gives a flexibility to your body. This asana you can do in repetition of 3 rounds or 4 rounds. I will show you one more time like this. So again 1 foot distance, my back is straight, my stomach is stuck in, and again we will overlap our hands like this. Inhale and lift up. Your hands first, and gently you will come on your toes and balance yourself. Normal breathing over here. Exhaling. You can maintain this posture as much as you can. Focus on one point and try to maintain the balance. Exhaling, gently take your hands down and relax. Our second asana for stretching is Konasana. So in this we will do a stretching in left side and right side. So this stretching helps you to open again your chest wide. This tones your muscles, improve your digestion, and also helps to balance yourself. So let's see the asana. In this asana we will stand straight and open our legs more from our shoulder distance. The shoulder distance is like this. It will be little more than that. You can take it as your height. In this, firstly stand like this. You are standing straight. Your one hand, this angle of your hand will be here. You will not hold it very tightly, it is loose, as we are going to move it and we are going to slide to other side. In this you will just twist your right side, right leg like this. Other leg is straight, parallel to left leg. Now inhale and go down. Inhale and go down. Exhaling, come up. Other side I will show again. keep your hand like this, your other hand is here. You will just slide down and this hand will move and you will go down. Inhale and go down. And come back. So these stretches are very beneficial to flex your body, and also it improves your digestion as our internal organs get a good stretch. Our next asana is Ustrasana. So it is also called as the camel pose. In this posture, it is a back bend posture. So this helps to give space to your front side and it relaxes your spine. So as in the COVID situation, many patients have back pain issue, lower back pain issue. So it gives relief to your back, also improves your digestion, and also people with sciatica are benefited with this asana. We will do Ustrasana. Come on your knees like this. Your heels are like this. Sit straight. Come forward. Come on your knees. There is space between your heels. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhaling. Lift your hand up and move it backwards and try to hold your heel. Same way with the other hand. Gently come forward and sit. Our next asana is cow cat pose. So in this, as many times I have shown it because it is very beneficial for everyone. As we have did the back bend, now we have to do front forward bend for the inversion. And this asana will help you to relax your body, relax your mind, and also gives a good massage to your internal organs and your spine too. Come in Vajrasana like this, and then take your both the hands forward. There will be distance, shoulder width distance in between your hands and knees. Your toes are out. It is not like this. They are out. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhaling, you will turn inside and try to touch your chin to your chest. Inhale and turn inside. Exhale and come out. Again, turn inside. Relax your spine, your back. Gently, you have to do this exercise very gently. It is a relaxing asana. Again, turn inside. You can do this in repetitions like 5 times, 6 times. From here, we will go to Shashank Asana because it is connected to this asana as we have done the back bending, forward bending and back bending both. So again, you will come in Vajrasana. You will take a distance between your thighs like this and you will walk forward. Relax over here. Stretch your spine forward as much as you can. And gently come back. Now the next is Bhujangasana. So everyone must be knowing is the cobra pose. So this is also very easy to do posture. It also relaxes your back, muscles, spines, and also it improves your digestion. Your lungs get wide open. Lie down like this on your stomach. Feet are together like this. Take your both the hands near your chest and gently inhaling, lift up. Slowly come down and relax. So this was some asanas that we have done that we could do before after COVID situation, after you have pass the battle very successfully. This asana are very helpful to recover your body, your every organ, and give you a healthy body and healthy lifestyle too. In this asana, as I mentioned, you can do Surya Namaskar and at the end you can do pranayam. The link of the videos are in description box. So this was some asana that will really help you and your body to recover from all the damage that COVID infection have given you. As your body, your mind needs relaxation after this asana will help you for sure. Do share this video for people who are needed with it, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.